Is our universe a simulation? Simulation theory is the idea that our world, or even our entire universe, exists inside of a simulation, and that none of us are truly real. Since its popularization from the movie The Matrix, society has often been fascinated with the possibility that we live inside a simulation. While it may have started out as a science fiction, a multitude of scientific studies have begun to take this question. This endeavour has proved to be rather controversial, as evidence for and against this theory of simulated existence has piled up over the years. So for now, we will lay out what we have learned and leave formulating the answers to you. In the case of our universe being a simulation, scientists have made a number of groundbreaking discoveries that open up the possibility that our universe is in some way simulated by a higher power. In 2012, Professor Silas Bean from the University of Bonn in Germany unearthed the similarities between the properties of a simulation and the properties of particles in our own observed universe. Bean says that Greisen, Zatterspin, Kuzmin cutoff illustrates a fundamental limit on the energy that particles can have, which would have to be the case for simulated particles. With a substantial amount of documentation of this phenomena, Bean believes that this could be a piece in the puzzle for revealing the universe as a simulated environment. On March 7, 2015, a debate was hosted by Neil deGrasse Tyson at the American Museum of Natural History in New York to discuss the possibility of the universe being a simulation. During this debate, Professor James Gates from the University of Maryland presented astounding findings regarding the simulation of the universe. While studying the mathematical equations that make up our current understanding of string theory, Gates found what appeared to be computer codes within these equations. According to Gates, this was a special kind of computer code that corrects errors that happen within computer processing, and are a fundamental part of the code of internet browsers today. The presence of these codes was shocking in the midst of superstring theory equations, because it suggested that within the fabric of our very universe, within the vibrating strings that supposedly regulate it all, there exists computerized codes that keep things in check. Since the discovery of these codes, numerous other studies have unearthed more within string theory mathematical equations. This is some of the most compelling evidence to date that our universe might indeed be a simulation.